All right, viewers, we're at the AICC headquarters and movement has begun. It's a state funeral with full military honors. They have to keep to time, and we just heard some of the Congress leaders there coming in and saying clear the way. They're going to take out the mortal remains right now of Dr. Singh. We can actually see the mortal remains being carried out. They'll be taken right outside where my colleague Amit is going to be standing on a bedecked, a flower bedecked truck, and from there the final journey of Dr. Singh will start to the Nigam Bodh Ghat. Let me quickly get in a word. Pranav ji, can we get in a word? Sir, your tribute to Dr. Singh.
I don't have words to express my loss and grief. Never seen a man so humble, so intelligent, so down to earth. He had so much to give it to so many people.
Thank you, sir. We appreciate it. All right, you can see a lot of congressmen filing in. You can hear chants of Suraj Chand, Jab tak Suraj Chand rahega, Manmohan tera naam rahega. And, it is a very, very somber moment here. And the mortal remains of the former Prime Minister filing out. And I would reckon you take a moment and you thank him for the service that he's rendered this country. Om Shanti. From here on, it's a full state funeral with military honors. You can see a lot of cadre, viewers. I can only tell you what I see. A lot of cadre there on the other side. Some of them crying, some of them with their hands folded. A somber moment. Right behind me, you have Priyanka Gandhi, you have Mr. Siddaramaiah, DK Shivkumar, Robert Vadra. Congress leaders filing out. I can also give you a sense. The mortal remains will be taken right outside. There's a lot of Congress cadre outside, and you can actually hear the chants there as well. Chants of Amar Rahe echoing at the AICC headquarters this morning. A lot of the old leadership that worked very closely, the cabinet members, and some of them are old. Viewers, I actually saw Dr. Karan Singh, who's worked under Dr. Manmohan Singh. He was he's the same age, a year older than Dr. Singh. He came in with great amount of difficulty this morning, and I could see him teary-eyed. The other leaders who worked, I can see Salman Khurshid there. He's got tears in his eyes. You can see a lot of the Congress cadre, folded hands. Randeep Singh Surjewala. It is a moment which is sobering for the Congress. They want also, we're hearing in on the other side that they want the procession to be taken out in time. It's a state funeral. The Prime Minister, the President, the Vice President, all would be coming in. Let me cut across right now as I try and make my way outside to my colleague Amit, who's right outside at the flower-bedecked truck where the mortal remains of the Prime Minister would be taken. Amit, over to you, and I'll join you outside. To my colleague Amit, but taking you through these visuals, and we're also going to try and make our way outside. All the senior leadership of the Congress making their way, the final rites right now of the final journey, viewers, of Dr. Manmohan Singh from the AICC headquarters. It's a full journey for Dr. Singh that has spanned decades, where he served the country. One can pay rich tribute in terms of how he was a great statesman, the architect of Indian reform, ace technocrat, economist. But today, and I have to say that at the AICC headquarters, he is a congressman, and you can actually see it in the kind of tribute that have been pouring in, especially from the Congress cadre. Aishwarya, I'm going to cut across to you while I try and make my way outside. Bahar chalo.
The visuals that you are seeing on your screens are coming in from right outside the Congress headquarters. The mortal remains of the former Prime Minister, Dr. Manmohan Singh, are now being moved. The casket, as you can see, is now being moved onto the truck, and the final journey will now begin in just a couple of minutes from now. Simplicity, no pretense, and no airs about himself. These are some of the often used words for the former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh. Substance over politics. This is what politicians across the political spectrum have said over the past 48 hours about the former Prime Minister of our country, Dr. Manmohan Singh. The kind of economic liberalization that happened under his regime. He was resolute in 1991, very, very resolute, and made sure that Indian economy opens up. And that's the reason why we are now seeing the benefits of that. The benefits of what we are reaping today, viewers, is because of the economic policies of a brilliant economist. That was Dr. Manmohan Singh, the former Prime Minister of our country. Also served as the finance minister under VP Narasimha Rao government from 1991 to 1996. So those were the years when we did see massive liberalization and opening up of the Indian economy, the benefits of which we are reaping now. Visuals that you are seeing on your screens